Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Happy Independence Day to you all. In today's video, I'll tell you the top 5 hot stocks this week. And also one stock to put on stock for next week. Let's delve right in. At number 5, we had GITS. This was Dave's play on Thursday. GITS is up 178% on the week, currently trading at $3.84. The stock is down 28% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the internet content space and their headquarters out of Korea. Number 4, SONN. Stock is up 240% on the week, currently trading at approximately $3.92. This one's down 44% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the biotech space and their headquarters out of New Jersey. A plethora of volume came into the stock on Wednesday. Put a stock on this one for next week. I'll do a deep dive into this one on Sunday. The stock made 4 consecutive higher lows. That's a sign of strength. On Wednesday, 129 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 50K. SONN, this one has room to $4.85. At number 3, we had LIXT. Stock closed up 267% on the week. Currently trading at $2.83. Stock is up 20% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the biotech space as well. Their headquarters out of California. Number 2, we had BGL. BGL is up 435% on the week. Currently trading at $107 per share. This one IPO'd on June 26. This one's in the gold sector and their headquarters out of the Cayman Islands. Sitting at number 1, highest percentage gainer in the stock market this week was no other than, drum roll please, BMNR. No surprises here. BMNR spiked a whopping and epic and eye-popping 2,954% in 4 days. Unprecedented. This one's trading at approximately $135. This one IPO'd June 5th. BMNR is in the capital market space and their headquarters out of Nevada. Much the best. BMNR. This one's way ahead of the pack. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Go back to your 4th of July activities, and I'll see you on Sunday with Sunday's Stock List. Be safe until then. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. Welcome. GITS is up 170% thus far in the pre. Currently trading at 440. Let's wait for a pullback on this one before you make an entrance. The higher day thus far, $6.60. There's no news out in particular, but we're just riding price action. GITS has spikeability. For example, May 30th, the stock skyrocketed from 95 cents all the way to $3.12. The volume was 56 million on that day. This one's in the internet information space and their headquarters out of Korea. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 5 million, 2 million in the float. GITS. 43% of the float are held by insiders. 2% of the float are held by institutions, and shorts has 1% of the float. Shorts. Price to book 0.89. 50-day moving average $1.46. Their 200-day moving average is $1.02. GITS. They have a total cash of just $253 in hand. All of my subscribers has more than that. They have a total debt of $281K. Their